How to create a Facebook avatar. To create a Facebook avatar, first open the Facebook app and select the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down to find See More, and then select Avatars from the drop-down. You can then begin creating your avatar by clicking Next and Get Started. You can then begin building your avatar by selecting various features that match your own. First, you can select your skin type and click Next. Then you have various options for hairstyles to add, and at the top of the options you can sort them by short, medium, or long hairstyles. To change the color of your hair, you can select the ink drop beside hairstyle. Then you move on to facial features like face shape, complexion, and any prominent lines on your face. Next, you can focus on your eye features such as eye shape, eye color, and eye makeup. Then you can choose your eyebrow shape and the color of your eyebrows. If you wear glasses, you can choose from a variety of eyewear styles and change the color of your glasses. Next, select a nose shape, lip shape, and lip color. If you have facial hair, you can choose from a variety of facial hair styles. And you can choose a body shape that best reflects your own. You can customize your avatar with different outfits, and you can choose from a variety of headwear. Once you have all your features chosen, click Done in the top right corner of the screen. If you ever need to edit your avatar features, you can always click the Edit button in the top right corner of the screen, and the feature options will reappear for you to edit. You can also delete your avatar by clicking the trash bin in the top right corner of the screen. And that's how to create a Facebook avatar. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.